Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are looking at something truly out of this world. This is the 2026 Brabus futuristic luxury motorhome, and honestly, calling it a motorhome almost feels like an insult. This thing looks like it drove straight out of a science fiction movie and parked itself in a 5-star hotel lobby. Let's break down everything about this rolling mansion, starting with the exterior. The moment you see this vehicle, you understand that Brabus did not hold back. The body is finished in a deep midnight blue paint with a fine sparkle flake that almost looks like a night sky full of stars. Under showroom lighting, it genuinely glows. The design language is aggressive and futuristic, with sharp creases running along the sides, glowing LED strips that wrap around the front fascia, and gold accents that give it a premium, almost jewelry-like finish against the dark blue paint. Up front, you get a low, wide stance with a sculpted bumper, integrated air vents, and a striking LED light bar that spans the nose of the vehicle. The Brabus emblem sits proudly in the center, letting everyone on the road know exactly what they are dealing with. The windshield is massive and panoramic, curving upward into the roofline, which gives this coach a very cab-forward, almost jet-inspired profile. Around the back, the design stays just as bold. You get vertical LED taillights, a smooth aerodynamic rear end, and a rear access hatch finished in brushed metal for all your storage and utility needs. The dual rear axle setup is fitted with massive chrome multi-spoke wheels that honestly look more like they belong on a luxury supercar than a motorhome. There is also a folding staircase built into the side of the vehicle, which deploys smoothly to give you elegant access into the cabin, complete with subtle ambient lighting along each step. Now let's step inside, because this is where the Brabus Motorhome truly separates itself from anything else on the market. The interior feels less like a camper and more like a 5-star penthouse suite on wheels. Starting with the cockpit, the dashboard is dominated by a curved, ultra-wide digital display that stretches across the entire console. The seats are finished in quilted leather with gold stitching, and the trim combines brushed metal with glossy piano black surfaces. Ambient lighting in blue and gold tones runs throughout the cabin, creating a calm, high-end atmosphere whether you are driving during the day or cruising at night. Move further back and you will find a fully equipped kitchen that would not look out of place in a modern luxury apartment. Matte black cabinetry with gold trim, a sleek induction cooktop, a waterfall marble countertop, and even a built-in wine fridge are all part of the package. Under cabinet LED lighting adds a soft glow, making meal prep feel like a 5-star experience even while you are on the move. The living area continues the same theme of understated luxury. A curved leather sofa with gold piping wraps around a floating entertainment console with a large screen. The flooring uses a marble effect finish, and floor-to-ceiling tinted windows flood the space with natural light while keeping outside eyes from peeking in. And then there is the bedroom, which might be the most impressive part of the entire vehicle. A plush king-size bed sits beneath a velvet headboard trimmed in gold, surrounded by ambient cove lighting. There is a built-in wardrobe with backlit panels for storage, soft carpeting underfoot, and even a panoramic skylight above the bed so you can fall asleep looking up at the stars, which feels fitting given the exterior paint job. Now let's talk performance, because a vehicle this large and this luxurious needs serious engineering to back it up. The Brabus Motorhome is built on a heavy-duty coach chassis, designed to comfortably carry the weight of all this luxury equipment without sacrificing stability on the road. It features a powerful diesel or hybrid drivetrain option depending on configuration, paired with an air suspension system that automatically adjusts to keep the ride smooth no matter what surface you're driving on. The braking system is upgraded to handle the extra weight safely, and the dual rear axle setup improves both load distribution and overall handling stability at highway speeds. Despite its massive size, drivers report that the steering feels surprisingly responsive thanks to the advanced power-assisted system, and the acoustic insulation throughout the cabin keeps road noise to a minimum, so conversations inside stay quiet even at higher speeds. Now for the part everyone is waiting for, the price. Because this is a heavily customized, coach-built luxury motorhome from Brabus, pricing is not something you will find listed on a simple website. Vehicles like this are typically built to order, and depending on the specification level, interior materials, technology package, and customization requests, prices for a Brabus-level luxury motorhome like this one can range anywhere from around $1 million on the lower end, all the way up to $2 million or more for a fully loaded, top-tier build. That might sound like an enormous number, but when you consider that this vehicle combines the comfort of a luxury yacht, the technology of a modern supercar, and the space of a small apartment, all packed into one mobile platform, it starts to make a lot more sense why serious collectors and ultra-wealthy buyers are drawn to vehicles like this. So that wraps up our detailed look at the 2026 Brabus futuristic luxury motorhome. From its stunning exterior design to its jaw-dropping interior and serious performance credentials, this is easily one of the most impressive luxury coaches we have ever covered on this channel. Let us know in the comments what you think about this rolling mansion, and if you enjoyed this review, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more detailed car reviews. Thanks for watching MH Car Review, and we will see you in the next one.